Hey everyone, and welcome to Tech Upskill channel.
In today's video, we'll address and fix the error wmic is not recognized as an internal or external command. This error can be frustrating, but don't worry. We'll walk through the steps to resolve it quickly and easily. And now, let's get started. First, open Settings, navigate to System, and then select Optional Features. Click the View Features button next to Add an optional feature, search for wmic, and click Add. Then, click Next, and wait for the installation to complete. Once the process finishes, close any open command prompt windows and test the command again. It should now work perfectly. I hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and share buttons. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.